So myself Ramakrishnan from IT department. I'm going to present a topic of the software development life cycle phases in software based on object-oriented software engineering. In SDLC life cycle is a very important one in software engineering. It is used to design, develop and test a good quality software product. SDLC phases are very useful for development of any software product in an effective and efficient manner. SDLC lifecycle model provides delivery of high quality, maintainable software that meets customer satisfactions and efficient product delivery. The various software development lifecycle phases are called as planning. Then it follows defining software products and designing of your software products and building, and follows to the testing and deployment sites. And it's also similar like analysis, design, implementation, testing and maintenance. What is the need of SDLC? Before the development of an individual product, going to analyze and observe about what is the need of SDLC. SDLC, some models are very disciplined and systematic methods. While designing a software product, it gives various smaller designable parts for understanding the problem and easier to solve a problem in an effective manner. SDLC comprises a detailed description of step-by-step plan for designing, developing and testing and maintaining up your individual software product. The first stage is called planning and requirements analysis. In this, during this phase, so what are the requirements are efficient or is going to be pre-planned by a developer as well as the software organizing essential and customers. These are the main individual parties are observed. What are the major requirements are fulfilled at the initial stage. It follows the tools requirements and software requirements and cost estimation and the time of your delivery. These are the efficient things are analyzed the requirement stages of software development. Stage 2 is called defining requirements. Defining requirements is also called the SRS. It is also the estimation of the software requirements specifications. The detailed descriptions of the customer is estimated, and also the entire software development estimation is also analyzed in this phase by various testing software professionals, design and various team members. So defining requirements, focusing on functional requirements. What are the functionality requirements are initially needed for the development of the individual software product, and technical requirements of various sites, and requirements reviews and approval. The third stage is also called designing architecture. The architecture is a concept of various methodologies, strategies and planned activities and rules and regulations are undercomes for the development of individual software product. It is also so called as design document specifications. It is assessed by market analysts and stakeholders for the efficient development of the individual product. The diagram shows the design of low level as well as the high level design patterns. Initial stage and expert stage appear. Designing tools, strategies, and patterns are used for the development of a software product in an efficient manner. The stage 4 focusing on developing product. In this stage, conventional programming tools like compilers, interpreters, and debuggers are chosen. And it's going to be a test like very efficient popular programming like C, C++, Python, and Java. These are the software regulation programming languages chosen for the development of a software product. These are the primary and very accessible programming languages for the development of a software product. Diagram shows development of a product, coding standards, scalable code, a line of code should be needed for the development. It's also called LOC and version control estimation on code review. The total estimation and the size of your code is reviewed in the final stage. And stage 5 is called product testing and integration. Although the minimal testing as well as the testing software is necessary to ensure the software product for the smooth and convenient usage. Some of the problems are tracked and fixed and retested for the efficient delivery of the software product through SRS requirements factors. So testing and integration, also focusing on well-written document and information repository is to store all the problems and how to maintain an individual product and the customer supports activities. And also these are efficient factors are included within the documentation for the further usage and clear convenient sites to the user. Testing focusing on manual and automated testing, sites of integration. The stage 6 is also focusing on deployment and maintenance of your product. After the software product is well established and finally going to be tested by the deployment sites and the maintenance of your customer sites, feedback and company aspects to release of the entire product. Deployment focusing on release of your planning and deployment automation and maintenance and feedback by your customers. These are the essential factors are useful for further enhancement of your software product. Then finally, how to choose an SDLC model. SDLC model is mainly focusing on the project requirements. The clear requirements are initially needed for the efficient development of your product. If any changes will occur, the changing requirements are also possible for the software development models like Agile and iterative models. The project size and complexity focusing on the estimation of your size and team members and the complexity are raised during the development of your product, and team expertise will focusing on how to enhance and how to recover and how to manage all the models, work progresses and activities during the development of your software product. In each and every phases, client may involve for the frequent feedback and a minimal client involvement also needed for this for the some of the software lifecycle models like waterfall and V model. And time and budget constraints are very important for the each and every work phases. It should be in a manner of fixed time or flexible time, and budget oriented aspects are followed. And risk management is also called to minimize the risk factors while developing a software product. Low risk projects are estimated initially to avoid maximized risk contents. The timeline is also useful for delivery of a software product in weekly or monthly basis. Work progress is estimated through a use of a timeline. Maintenance and support also needed by the software team. This is also estimated, also filed with the documentation sessions. And stakeholder expectations also fulfilled with various customers and managing marketing events and organizing parties through every week meeting appraisals. Some of the software lifecycle models are waterfall model, agile model, iterative model, spiral model, V-shaped model, and RAD model. So thank you for your valuable time.